Hey there, so let's take a look at this welder combo. My dad was the one who actually got to try it out today, and he was actually pretty impressed with it. He has gone through his fair share of welding machines, so he was the perfect one to try this out. The brand did send it over to us and compensate us for this video, but really what he liked most is that it's a three-in-one machine, so you can switch between MIG, stick, and TIG. We did not try out the TIG part because you have to have the TIG torch separately. It does not come with the machine. But for Mig and Stick, it's going to be really handy for just the random projects, around the house, whether it's fixing up something in the backyard, working on a fence, or just little DIY jobs here and there. Right out of the box, you have everything you need to get started for the Mig and the Stick. It does come with the wire, which is great. You don't have to get anything separate for that. The dual voltage setup was another win. You can plug it into 110 or 220 depending on where you're working. The controls are digital too, so it's not a guessing game. Everything was really straightforward. He did notice that the welds came out pretty clean with less splatter, which made things really that much easier to tidy up. And again, it comes with everything you need to get started right out of the box for MIG and stick, which is nice. So overall, he thought it was a solid little machine, especially for how compact it is. He loved it. We hope you do too, and I hope this video helps.